Sure, what's up, guys? So let's download Metal Trader 5 for PC. So you first start by searching your browser. So we have all the different types of of Metal Trader, which is for Windows, iOS computers, Apple. We also got for Lexus, and we also have a web terminal. So if your computer can also download applications, you can then just use the web terminal. Just that the only difference will be frequently updating your logins and all. So you press download. So once it is downloaded, go to your downloads. So once you downloading your MetaTrader 5, you come here and you you basically start the installation process. So you can read this, all of this if you want to. Yeah. So now we just wait for it to finish. Yeah. So while the setup is loading, I would advise you not to disturb it, because it might also take a few minutes. Let's just wait on it. Yeah. So the web terminal, in the meantime, you can just so the web terminal works on a browser. So even if you have a phone that isn't able to connect to download, or you can be able to use the web terminal for also those type of reasons. So like, yeah, more interested in setting up the MT5 at the moment. So let's just focus on that. So while we're waiting, I prefer Metal Trader 5 as opposed to Metal Trader 4 for various reasons. One of the reasons is that Metal Trader 5 for the cell phone is actually more nicer. It's more compatible. It gives you the ability to trade well, to check your charts well, and as opposed to Metal Trader 4, I just feel like it's an outdated version of Metal Trader. So I normally prefer the 5, but the installation process, they're both the same, because if you were looking for the 4, you were just going to say Metal Trader 4 for PC. So you still go to the website, the Metal Trader. So it's like Metal Trader 5 website. Then you have the 4 websites. So you can download for free. Yes. So the processes are still the same. We still have Windows. We have Mac, and we also have Lexus, and we also have the smartphones. We got Android applications. We got iOS, and we also got Huawei. So I think that's really good. I don't know any other phone outside these ranges. So like, yeah. Let's continue. Then you press finish. This registration, blah blah blah. I don't normally do that, so I just go to my method trader. So now we've entered. So once you're done with the installation process, this is what will show up.
Incoming mail.
The thing that will happen is that it will demonstrate a demo account of some sort. So if you're not used to it, you can practice your strategies here. You can be able to. This is where your orders will show on the toolbox. So basically, it's under view. So if you just unclick this, the two boxes will disappear. So if you can't find that, just go to toolbox, and you'll have exposure, which is will be calculating the way you're doing things. We also have history. We have news. We got mailbox. So mailbox, calendar, and alerts. Some of those things are related to what we were supposed to be doing, which was the registration of MC5. But however, that isn't important because what's important for you is for you. Most people are confused with the setup and how it works and the way it is. So when you want to put an account, you basically come here and you just start by, let's just say, start by opening an account. So my recommended broker is HFM. So you can just be like HFM, like this markets, because it's HF markets and markets. So as you can see here, so here so any company, even Xness, as long as it's a listed broker under Metal Trade, if you can find the broker on your phone, you can definitely find it here. So that won't be a problem. Just go. Let me repeat the step again. So you come to your navigator. So everything you'll find here. So you come to your navigator. So then you right click, then you open an account, then you start punching in the names of the you see, yeah. So for example, if I wanted to put this server, I'm actually gonna use this server because this is the server I'm actually using. So once you have said open an account, you don't necessarily have to press there. So you have to come here and say log into trade accounts. So now as you can see, all the servers will show now. So now you are able to select your server, and put your passwords, your logins and things like that. So once you're done with that, you'll have to say okay. Wait. Oh, wait. Yes. So you'll have to say okay. I would, I would, I don't want to put my personal accounts here since a lot of people will be watching this. So let me just continue on this. It's not like I'm misleading anything. So one of the things you can start by doing is that this is the market watch, which is we have our like the navigator. Once you're done putting your accounts, I don't see a reason for you having your navigator on. So you do need your market watch because you'll be looking at your setups. So now you first delete all of these. So if there's any codes you're actually looking for, you just come under here, which is click to add. So you click. So let's just say I was looking for USDs out. So like that. So then I press enter on my PC. Then it's just gonna do this. I right click. I say. Then I have chat window. I have new order. I have tick charts, depth of market, specification, pop up prices. You can also hide. You can. So when you're hiding it, it's like okay, it's now updating, but since we're in a video, let's just say later. So you can just come up here because the most important question is how do you open this and how do you change all of these settings. Many people get confused by that. So you can also change your codes here. So you see, as so these market watches is these ones. So one of the things I like doing, I like starting with the properties, so that I can just change it color to white. That's what I prefer. So you have your settings here. You can show your line charts. You can show your bar charts, charts on foreground. So you have all your settings, all your chart settings here. So, but one thing I might tell you is that if you edited USDs are, for example, you can't expect the same to happen on Euro. You have to manually do it. You have to manually keep doing it. So if there's a new chart you probably gonna place, you actually do want to start. So where can you? So here we have your time frames here, and we have a few objects which we can use to analyze the market and all of those things. So indicators. As for indicators, I would say I don't normally use indicators, but if you want indicators, we have indicators, insects. So indicators. So now you can find your indicators. Maybe looking for your moving averages. You're looking for your triple exponential moving averages. I don't use moving averages, so. But what I would advise you is that you should. What you might wanna do is that you might wanna analyze on TradingView. Then you come here. So another question is that here. So how do you drag the charts from here to the other side? So where is that portion? This indicator does this thing we usually have here. So some tools you have to keep looking for them. You can't blame me for looking. Some of these things I don't use. I use Metal Trader for entering orders, not for analyzing the market. As I don't wanna play with money. I don't wanna lose. So let's use this thing. So it seems like we can't go with charts till the end, but we also have our type of charts here. So sometimes you can just decide on using a line chart. You can use a bar, and you can also use candlesticks. So basically, this is actually deep, to tell the truth. Most of the things are on the view. So whether you're looking for navigator, the navigators for you close them again, you have your strategy tests and all those things. So basically, how it is. So basically, this is how it is. So one of the other things what we want to also know, anything intelligence is just the same as insects. You just have to click on it twice when it's uploaded. I think that's it. That's it for the Metal Trader 4 and 5. And the Metal Trader 4 and 5, they're both the same things. They both work in the same way. They correlate the same thing. It's the same company after it all, guys. So there's nothing much to really worry about. So like, yeah, I think at Brokerized, guys, we're good. Guys, please subscribe. You see, if you're still watching right now, I would advise you to subscribe, leave a like, and also comment, guys. Yeah, guys.